Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Agent Spider Talks, and today we're going to be reacting to the Wheezer Duology. I call it the Wheezer Duology because there's two separate videos in the NRG series that revolve around Carl Wheezer.
Are you going to finish that
croissant? Best not to think about it. Instead of thinking about it, let's watch it. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, SMG3.
Guys!
Uh-oh. Ow.
Jeez. What do you want, you idiot?
Yeah, what's up your ass? You gotta hide me, man. From what? This guy won't stop following me!
Oh, boy.
What? This fucking guy keeps saying the same thing and acting like he's better than me. And he won't leave me alone.
I think you
The same thing? Are you talking about Groot?
No. You just don't understand. This guy keeps following me and saying, "Hi, I'm Carl."
Oh, shit.
Oh, no.
That is terrifying.
This was the guy you were so scared about?
Hi, I'm Carl.
I feel like you're gonna regret
Guys,
laughing.
don't.
This idiot? Ah, come on now, Sonic. He probably couldn't even hurt a fly.
You wanna fuck around and find out?
Oh, no!
See, I told you.
Just run.
Come back here, you son of a bitch.
Oh, no.
What the hell is this guy's problem? Bro, doesn't matter. Just keep running.
Quick, over here. Phew. I think we lost him. That wasn't so bad.
He's buff.
You can't escape the Wheezer, fool.
He's buff now!
Stand back, guys. I got this.
Do I look like I need your power?
Hey! He stole my line! Bastard!
Oh,
Crap.
just great. Now we have to deal with these guys.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, no.
Oh, you fucked up, son.
Jesus Christ!
98 buried, 0 found.
Oh, no.
Wanna head to SMG4's house and play some games?
Hell yeah!
Yeah, it sounds like a good idea at this point. Let's leave Carl to those batnicks.
For the motherland!
Oh, my God. That was something, all right. Anyway, let's react to the next part. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, guys, it's your favorite blue idiot. Just letting you guys know that
Hey,
there's
Sonic.
a little bit of lag at the beginning of the video, but don't worry, it smooths itself out throughout the video. So just bear with us.
Cool.
All right, bye.
Bye. Pixel Productions. NRG.
I still don't see why you had to come with me.
I'm not thrilled either. After you pulled that shit during game night, I could kick your ass for that one.
Ah, thank you, Claude.
Run 5 laps, buddy.
That's it.
Oi, idiots! Took you too long enough. I was about to head home.
Sorry, dude. Dragging Mario here almost made me pass out.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Listening to you is hurt enough.
All right. If you're done flirting, Let's get going.
I don't know if that
GameStop
was
won't be
flirting,
open
but
forever.
sure.
Oh, right.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Okay, I'll admit, that was fun.
Agreed. Maggie and Tony are gonna love the games we got.
Especially for me, after I showed Tari the exclusive edition I got, just so I could break it in front of her.
What's your deal with
That's
Tony anyway?
rude.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Hi, Sonic. Have you seen my rubber ducky?
What's a rubber duck?
Oh no.
A little heartless sometimes.
I got it back afterward.
Still,
Well, besides that, I'm getting excited to pop these bad boys in when we get home.
True dat.
yeah. We should ask the others if they can play too.
Yes, this is gonna be so good. Nothing's gonna fuck up this day.
Hi, I'm Carl.
Not again.
Oh God, no!
Take it from a horror mascot, guys.
Run.
Hey, I'm Carl. I remember you bitches.
Ah, he's bluff again. Run.
Get over here.
He's scorpion now. Ah.
Nope, none.
Dude, you literally have super speed and agility. Why aren't you fighting?
Cause I don't have a death wish. This guy is on a
Fair enough.
level.
Guys, over here.
Second time's a charm.
Didn't we do this last time?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, and it went
I
so
figured
well.
that out pretty quickly.
Both of you hush. I got a plan.
Oh yeah? Do tell.
Okay. No way. Are we gonna see SMG3 and Sonic have fire power-ups? Oh, that's gonna be cool.
Where are you, juicy boys?
Call them juicy boys. What's wrong with you, Carl? Oh!
Finally, a worthy challenge.
All right, let's do it to it.
It's, oh, yes! They can put up a fight now. Time to send you back to the Shadow Realm. How is he resisting fire? Oh no. Ah! Destruction!
Is that all?
Not even close.
Let's go.
Kamehameha! I don't know, Dragon Ball.
The motherland.
Ha ha! How's that?
Nailed it.
Guys?
Why is that? He's still alive!
Tis but a scratch.
Oh,
Now.
no.
Uh-oh.
My turn.
Run.
Man, fuck that guy.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Anyways, guys, that was the Carl Wheezer duology. I had a blast with these two episodes. They were extremely funny. I needed that today. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. The link to the original videos will be down in the description, as well as Nick's channel. And I will see you all in the next reaction. Peace.
Be free.